In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a red light camera ticket online. We'll be using the K platform, which is the online portal where you can check for violations and move forward with payment through authorized channels. This process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to enter your vehicle details carefully so the system can locate the correct record. To begin, go to the Ka website. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to look over the homepage so you can get familiar with the layout. On the top menu, click on Pay My Fine. This will take you to the section specifically intended for paying traffic-related violations online. On the next page, look for the option that says Pay Your Violation through Authorized Channels. Select that to continue. After that, you'll be asked to select a payment method. Choose the option that works best for you, then click Proceed to Payment to move forward. At this point, the system will need your vehicle information to find the violation. Enter your plate number exactly as it appears in your records, then enter the MV file number in the appropriate field. Be sure to type both details accurately, since even a small error may prevent the system from locating your violation. Once those details are filled in, click Check. Pay My Fine. You'll then see a section labeled Before You Proceed. Read this part carefully, since it may contain important reminders, payment guidance, or terms related to the violation, lookup, and settlement process. After reviewing the information, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Then click Check for Violations. The platform will search for any recorded violation connected to the information you entered. If there is a red light camera ticket associated with your vehicle, it will appear on the results page. Take a moment to review the violation details carefully before moving on. This is a good time to confirm that the record matches your vehicle information and that you're paying the correct fine. Once everything looks correct, proceed to payment. From there, simply follow the prompts based on the payment method you selected earlier and complete the transaction through the authorized channel. As a final tip, it's a good idea to save a screenshot or confirmation once your payment is completed, just in case you need proof of payment later on. And that's it. That's how to pay a red light camera ticket online using the Ka platform.